Setting up dual monitors with an HP docking station is simple when you follow the right order. Start by placing the docking station near your laptop and monitors, then connect the dock to power using the original adapter. Next, link your laptop to the dock using a USB-C or Thunderbolt cable, which handles charging, data, and display through a single connection. After that, connect both monitors to the docking station using HDMI or DisplayPort cables, with DisplayPort usually offering better performance for higher resolutions. Once everything is connected, install any required HP dock drivers or DisplayLink software so the system can properly detect multiple displays. Finally, open your computer's display settings to arrange the monitors, adjust resolution, and set scaling so both screens look consistent and comfortable to use. If the monitors are not detected, update graphics drivers and docking station firmware, check cable quality, and confirm the correct input source on each monitor. Proper setup and positioning can greatly improve workflow and create a cleaner workspace with one cable connecting everything.